So a girlfriend asked me to find this. The little, it's called a UFO umbrella, actually, in the terminology of the search engines. So let's see what we can find. Now, because I know it's a UFO umbrella, I'll just show you what instantly or first comes up. So I'm going to, again, load a high. Now, that's actually not giving us everything we need, but there's one right there at the beginning. That is this one has all 3 sizes. Not all stores are going to carry all sizes. And again, this might add more to the cost based on the ability to have some selection. But this isn't unreasonable. So we got $344 to $347. That's for the different sizes. And the shipping, again, that's kind of just the cost of the product. So when I look around at enough of the shops, they add up to about $10 each. Sometimes a little bit cheaper. So in this case, if I was going to be looking for that yellow one, I might select yellow and then medium, knowing that that's actually the smallest one. And just to hold on to it, I would add it to my cart. Let's see what else I got. I ended up referring a friend to one of these because that's, again, she asked me to find it. So let's see, which one was it? This one here is going to have all sorts of different sizes, but there's a good chance that those 493s are these crossed out. That one right there. So there it is, 1144, 64, 1223. Not what I want. Okay. What if I refine it? And so here's what I was doing earlier, Rain Baby Poncho. And load a high, it's just the way I roll. There's the first one, that comes to about $11. Now, how did I find that cheaper one? So it's $746 to $847. There we go. This is the winner because A, it has the ducky head on the little kid, unlike some of the other brands or options. I'm going to add that to cool stuff. I put that in anything that I'm looking for friends. Then I will go down and say, why, yes, I would like a small. It's for a baby. I want it from China. That's going to be $873. Add that to my cart. Go to my cart. See, I was playing with that. So the one that I started with, that one came to $11.28. And honestly, that was kind of the average. And then this one that I was looking through before, $9.30. This one does not have the duck on it. It's $8.16. And there was the winner, LovelyPET Store. There we go, $8.73 with free shipping. Now, let me just check. Any coupons? If I spent $21, I get another $1.35 off. There's not amazing odds that I'd need anything, but there's 3,400 products. So the video I posted right before this one was how to browse a store. So you might want to play around with this shop and add a couple things to your cart before you, I kind of like that, before you check out with your baby raincoat, poncho, UFO, gizmo. There we go, one more AliExpress hack for the win.